y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you ain't, welcome back. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do this pink to black ombre look. I don't even know what to call this. I guess this is the Arrogant Tae, but he did green. This is pink. And I know y'all seen this trend on Instagram. I was trying to figure out how to do this, but I didn't see no videos on how to do it. So I kind of just did step by step on my video so y'all can know what to do now. So ignore my bra strap. If y'all want to see how I got this ombre to black look, stay tuned. And I'm telling you in the beginning, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to say this now. I do not know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna test this out.
Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
To achieve this look, I'm gonna do the watercolor method. So the first thing I do is fill up my bowl with water and I go in with the Adore Jet Black color. I would recommend only using Adore or Kiss. Don't try to use box coloring because I tried that and it didn't work. So then you're gonna go ahead and pour the Adore dye into your water. And do not put more water than dye because your hair won't be as pigmented as you want it to be. So just make sure you eye it so it's equal. So after I stir it up, I go in with a test strand, which is basically the piece of hair in the back, to see if the hair would dye right. And as you can see, it did. So I went ahead and dunked the whole, not the whole wig, but just the ends. I dunked the ends in there and you can see when I pull them out, that the color is as pigmented as I want it to be. So I continue to do this until I got my desired look. After I was done doing the watercolor method, I went in and put some more dye in my bowl. And I went in with the brush and I just dyed the strands individually, well, in sections. And you can see I'm brushing like upward towards the roots, just so it won't be such a blunt appliance. So it just won't be like a straight line. So it can really give the ombre effect. Yeah, y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all see it.
When we hooked up, sat down, made an agreement, we vowed that we'd always be together, do whatever. We said that no one ever in between us, this love would never ever leave us. That was a while ago. But now lately it feels like, I feel like all we do is fight every single night. Tick tock, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over, just bring it out, can work it out. 'Cause I don't wanna be.
So as you can see, I went in with the brush and some spots were still looking a little empty. So I did a little bit off camera and this is how it looked after. And then I went ahead and put a plastic bag over the whole wig. I don't know why I did that. I just seen it on Google and they said to put plastic over dye hair, and so I did. And I waited 15 minutes. Then I used OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner, and this was literally the only conditioner I had left. So that's what I used. And so yeah, I just washed the wig. Everybody knows how to wash a wig. You don't know how to wash a wig, I don't think you should be doing a wig, baby. You're not walking around wearing dirty wigs. Not you just ordered it and just slapped it on your head. That's not how we do. That's not how we do. So yeah, I just washed the hair, make sure the dye was out, and as you can see, it's coming out. And I was crossing my fingers in the beginning because the first time, like I said, I tried the box dye, and when I was washing it, all the color was coming out, even the pink, and I was just so sad. So just to see that this was working, I was very much happy. So yeah, I'm gonna save y'all the emotions, I'm gonna save y'all the stress, and just tell y'all to use the Adore. Don't use box dye. This is how it looked in the end. I went ahead and plopped it on the towel and smushed it down a little bit to halfway dry it. And then I went ahead and pinned a plastic bag around the ends of the hair just to catch any water while the hair was air drying overnight. And then I left the hair to air dry overnight, and then I came back in the morning. I should have put you somewhere where no one could find. So this part I usually call wig prep, and I go in with my edge booster stick first to lay down any flyaways and make them easier to tame with my hot comb, which is an essential for flat installs, but I'll have more in another video about that. But then I go in and do the same thing for every part of the hair.
You got the style, you got that body, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk my style.
Then I use my oil sheen as a hair protector and to add a little shine, because oil sheen is when it comes to shine. And then I go in and cut some layers. You don't really have to cut layers in the back if you don't want to, because I kind of wanted my curls to fall a little in the back. But layers are important when it comes to the front, so you can frame your face. Now, I don't know how to explain how to do barrel curls, so y'all just gonna watch me do this for a little bit, and I'll come back when I'm done.
You got the style, I know. You got the style, I know. You got the style. Hey, self-control has never been a thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rocket. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks in it. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you poet vegan but still refill with me again? How the fuck you seen so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap, man. I see it back in church, remember who took it first, and don't you forget it. That's your way.
So then I go in with my Got to Be glue spray to hold the curls in place a little bit. And then after I let them dry and get a little firm, I comb them out with a wide tooth comb. Don't ever comb your curls out with like a small comb, like a thin comb, like a rat tail comb. Don't ever comb your curls out with that. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just combing with the curls, playing with them. That's all you really have to do with curls, is cut layers and play with them until you get them. And that's the look I liked. So yeah, that's how I liked my hair. And as you can see, I'm just going in, combing and cutting layers, brushing, just playing with the curls.
Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my...
Then I went ahead and plucked the part a little bit so I can apply my makeup in the middle and define the part. And I covered up that track. And this is the end results. And make sure you follow me on Instagram for sneak peeks. So now I go in and I do the wig install part. And I'm pretty sure most of y'all came here to see how to achieve the ombre look, not how to lay a wig. But I will have a more detailed video about how I do this. So yeah, just sit back and watch, I guess. Oh, I do want to come in and say that this fan from Amazon is a lifesaver when it comes to laying wigs. So you don't have to plug in that big blow dryer. Okay, now y'all can watch.
To the walls, I know they listen to me. Your teachers always called it a shame. They say I don't have passion to say, as I did a few years before. They don't see the light there anymore. They call it sad, but they're the outside looking in on and they can't understand. And they all cope with everything. And then I open my heart and something my friends finally read. It was not a whole fault, 'cause they're not there anymore. I called my dad, he told me there's no room for me down on the house that we had. And we were living on the street. Now my family's gone, I'm just as far as I can see. They didn't have me to show, but they're not there anymore. There's no room for me down on the house that we had. And we were living on the street. Now my family's gone, I'm just as far as I can see. They didn't have me to show, but they're not there anymore. But tonight I think I lost the plot instead. I said that I'd be cleared up, I agree. To the walls, I know they listen to me. Your teachers always called it a shame.
And this is the finished look. I loved it. I loved it very, very much. So yeah, voiceover Zarmani out of here. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to get sneak peeks, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. I hope y'all learned a couple of tips and tricks on how to do this. I don't have the link to this hair, but I will put another pink pre-dyed wig down in the description. Due to this being an old wig, the hairs was kind of all over the place, but once I put it together, I put it together. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.